Welcome to Simon Tools. Today we got our Hilti ET1000. This one everything works, just the hammer is not working. So we're gonna open up and see what inside and how it's work, okay? And we're gonna rebuild the hammer. Bolt there, and then go the whole lot. And this one, put away. See, this one, put away. Now is the main part, see here. So we want to get in here. How to get in here? So I don't know. Okay. Never opened before. I never know. Never seen one before. Okay. I don't want to tap that part, so. We're gonna open up this one. Okay, we open up and the piston is broken, and we have to bring back to Hilti because Hilti does not supply or not selling any part for us for electrical. So we know that okay, we can fix, but we don't have parts. That's the problem. This one broken. It's plastic, and inside here, it may be selling the whole kit with the like that because the crank inside. They design the whole like engine crank. So that's another thing, how to take it up from here, take it from here, and take up the engine crank first before we can install this one on. So I think they come complete or separate, I don't know, okay? But I have to bring back to Hilti. So that's it. We're gonna put back and settle down the job and put everything back to normal and send it back for a customer. So this is how we strip it out and how we take it out. That's how we put it back in. So we still put the piston back in here, so put everything back, give it back to them. Okay, thanks for watching Simon 2. A little bit open up and see how's the hammer inside the Hilti. Sometimes we have parts we can fix, but we don't have parts. Just put it back. Hilti, they're not selling anyone, okay? They're not selling to anyone, so for fix, for repair, have to bring back to the factory.